Shedding pounds can feel like an uphill battle, but with the right food, the journey can become a lot more enjoyable. Welcome to another heart-healthy recipe where good taste meets good health. Today's dish, a tantalizing, nutrient-packed, weight-loss-friendly spinach and quinoa salad. The first step towards crafting this green goodness is prepping the quinoa. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial, as it removes quinoa's natural coating, called saponin, which can make it taste bitter or soapy. After rinsing, it's time for cooking. Put the quinoa into a pot, add 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While the quinoa cooks, let's shift focus to the spinach. Fresh, crisp spinach is what makes this salad a nutritional powerhouse. Finely chop about 4 cups of spinach and set it aside. Next up, the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, and salt and pepper to taste. This simple yet zesty dressing adds a punch of flavor to the salad. Once the quinoa is cooked and has cooled down, it's time to assemble the salad. Combine the cooked quinoa, chopped spinach, a ½ cup of cherry tomatoes, and a ¼ cup of crumbled feta cheese in a large bowl. Pour the dressing over the top and give it a good toss until everything is well combined. And there you have it, a spinach and quinoa salad that's more than just a salad. It's a meal that's brimming with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. This recipe isn't just about losing weight. It's about nourishing the body with the right nutrients. Quinoa provides a high protein content and all 9 essential amino acids. Spinach is a great source of iron, calcium, and vitamin K. The tomatoes add a burst of antioxidants, and the feta cheese provides a touch of creaminess without piling on calories. So next time you're looking for a meal that satisfies your taste buds and supports your weight loss journey, remember this spinach and quinoa salad. It's not just a dish, it's a lifestyle choice. Because when it comes to health and weight loss, every bite counts.